Hello guys. Welcome back to R.J Tech. In this video, we will tell you how to solve this error of missing DLL files, like MSCVR100.dll or MSCVP100.dll file. Today we fix this error. So let's get started. So first we open any browser like I open Chrome browser. Then type here MSCVR100.dll file download. Click on the first link. I will provide its link in description box. Then download the DLL file. Simply click on the download button. Now open the DLL file from WinRAR and copy the file with extension .dll. Then right-click on the app that's showing this error and click on the Open File location. Paste this file here. Then restart your computer and try to open this application. It shows this error again. Now simply you search that website again and search here MSCVP100.dll. Then download this. Open it again with WinRAR and copy it. Then paste it to the file location of the application that's showing this error. Now restart your computer. After restarting, try to start it. You see this application start correctly and run without any error. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.